Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you how to use advanced filter in Excel. I have data here, a set of data of products and customers, and how much is the sales raised from the customer. Okay, the products here, and then the customer, respective customer, and quarter 1 sales, quarter 2 sales, quarter 3 sales, and quarter 4 sales. Okay, so I have about 282 records of each different products and different customers. Okay, then and their respective sales. So now I am going to show you how to use advanced filter to filter some data from this data set. Okay, so now in advanced filter we have two parts. One is the data and the other is the criteria. Okay, so I'll go to advanced filter, data, advanced filter. In advanced filter you can see you have filter the list in place or copy to another location. So if you filter it in the place, then it will paste the result on the source data itself. Then it will be difficult for us because we may lose our source data. So copy to other location. The location is just a click on one single cell, that is enough, because it will automatically manipulate how many columns and rows are needed for this cell. Okay, then you can use the advanced filter on the same position because it automatically clears the previous data set result and put a new set. Okay, so and list range is the full data set what you are going to use it as a source data. Okay, for our case is the from the 6th row. Okay, this one, because I already put I already leave some rows for a criteria. Only the data is here from the 6th row up to the whole set of the range. Okay, so this way you can select the what is your source data, and then you go to your criteria range. Criteria range is this part, whatever you have it in. The header should be the same like your column header here, and also you have few rows where you want to insert your criteria. It could be any number of rows. Then where do you want to copy the data? Probably I will put it in I. Okay, it's a starting point I1. So always the data will be, the resultant data will be pasted here. Okay, while you are coming with the resultant data, you can also make sure the unique records only to make if you want only the unique records, or if you want exact how how the source data is the same set you want it, you don't check this one. Okay, if there is a repetition, it will just leave it as a repetition. You don't want the repetition, then you check unique records to get the unique records. Okay, so click OK. So now you see you don't specify any data, and the data set is this, so it come up with a full set of data because your data set is see with G spread WATC, because you didn't restrict with any condition, so it come up with all the data. Okay, now we are going to work on in different conditions and understand how the advanced filter can be used to filter. Okay, now we are not filtering anything because our criteria is nothing, only the blank cells. Okay, so now I'm going to filter only the Alice mutton product, in this set. Okay, so how to do that? You have column names here: product, customer, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3 and quarter 4, and is similar to your source data headers. And now you type whatever you want it. So I want Alice Mutton. Very simple filter now. Okay, now I am going to retrieve only this data. How to retrieve it from the source data? Okay, this source data, probably I will name it range. I will define a name for this range, so that we no need to every time select the source data. Instead we just put the name. So how to give a name? Just select and right click, define name. In source data I am giving a name product, or I'll give source data, it will be helpful. Okay, source data. Okay, I given source data, and this one is our criteria range. Criteria range may differ how many rows we want to use it. Okay, so now we have only one row criteria, and this is our criteria range. The other customer, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4, we are not doing anything. Only for product we are going to filter. Okay, so let's start advanced filter. So our list range is source data, because we already defined the source data as source data in name. Okay, then our criteria range is, this is our criteria range, including the header for criteria and also the value for criteria. Okay, then copy to the same position. Okay, press OK. Now you see it come up with only the Alice Mutton. Okay, and all the records of Alice Mutton is here. So now you should understand that the columns are in AND condition. Okay, so now I put Alice Mutton, and same time the customer name must be goddess, or is it anything twice or thrice? Nothing. Okay, goddess. GODOS. Now it is AND for every column. Okay, if this is for AND, so the columns are AND. Okay, Alice Mutton, and customer is goddess. Okay, now you see the advanced filter range is the source data, and the condition is, this is the condition, copy to the same position. You see it filtered only the Alice Mutton and goddess. Okay, Alice Mutton and goddess. This is what it is working here. Okay, Alice Mutton and goddess. This is a simple AND condition, this and this. Okay, then what is OR condition? How to make a OR? OR condition is Alice Mutton as well as I need Boston crab meat. Our condition must be put this way. Okay, either Alice Mutton or Boston crab meat. So the OR condition, this is OR condition. If you put it in different rows, it's OR condition. Okay, if you put it in different columns, it is AND condition. Okay, you make OR condition now. Okay, now the source data, criteria range is the same, including 2 rows, and they had copy to the same location. Okay, now you have seen product, both the products are listed. Okay, for all the customers. So it is listing out Alice mutton or Boston crab meat in the columns product. Okay, this is under condition. It is OR condition. Now I want to make AND as well as OR. OR is in rows and is in columns, and as well as OR. How to do that? How to use AND and OR? Okay, now I want Alice mutton. When Alice mutton, I want the customer bolded. For Boston crab meat or Boston crab meat with the condition and ton. Okay, I want either product must be Alice mutton and customer is bolded, and product is Boston crab meat and customer is Anton. Okay, how to do this? Restrain this source data. Criteria is this part, and I copy to another location which is the same location. We no need to worry about to clear the data. It will automatically clears the data, and press OK. So now you can see it is come with either Alice or mutton, but at the same time in Alice mutton it's supposed to be the customer boarded, and Boston crab meat the customer is Anton. Okay, this way you can use AND and OR conditions and work with advanced filter to filter the data. Now I want Alice mutton and Boston crab meat, and quarter supposed to be 0 for me. Both the quarter 1 is 0 values. I'm just picking it. It is source data. Criteria range is this. I'll do to another location. You see, the quarter 1 is 0. Okay, this way you can use advanced filter to pick different kind of conditions using AND and OR. And hope this video is helpful to you. Just start up with this video for your advanced filter. Later also put a few other videos to work on advanced filter, so that you'll be very familiar with the advanced filter. Okay, if you like my video, give a like and subscribe to my channel, and God bless you.